morning and welcome to another adventure. So today we have two Beetles. Hendri Mouton is going to be driving with me. His link to the channel is up there. And Pierre Nortje is behind us and the other Beetle over there. There's our Beetle, there you can see him. And then we are going to trek or scroll and we're going to do some off-roading there, see if they're able to off-road. Our cars are packed, stuff on the roof racks, we've got stuff in the back here. And yeah, we're going to see will these cars do as overlanding cars. So let's see how it goes.
Right, tires are pumped hard. We're ready to hit the road on our way to Darling, taking a dirt road detour probably, stopping there at the brewery for a lunch. Trek ver af weer.
Ja, ik denk dat strap is los. Lijkt het een mooi kleur op jouw peer. Is het een hempie?
That's nice.
This was a hammock in some...
Yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it clutching?
Parking lot, lekker de schalders rollen mee.
Had a refreshing drink and now it's off to get our next road trip. I thought this was going too well.
Okay, so we had a blocked fuel line. It was just air in the fuel line and now it's fixed.
Get to the campsite. Pierre tries to pull the Beetle in front to block the wind. Gets stuck the Beetle.
We have arrived at our location. They were busy setting up tents behind us over there. Or setting up our camping site. So yeah, no, the Beetles impressed us. We did some few 4x4-ish sections, which we thought the Beetles couldn't do, but they did. We only got stuck once over here where we tried to park the Beetle as a wind shade and then we got stuck in the soft sand. But other than that, the Beetles are pretty impressive and they stock standard basically.